So you are watching these dollars and I have earned them in just 3 days, and that too by just staying active for about 1.5 hours. So whether you're surfing the web, seeing ads or sharing your opinion, you deserve to be thanked for your efforts. So today I have bought for you an app in which you don't have to do any work at all. If you just want to watch ads and earn money, then I will tell you everything step by step. First of all, let's find out how trustworthy this app is and what is the trust rating of this app. See, this feature section, it means that its trust level is such that here you can see how many companies are associated with it, where this feature has been done. I'll copy this website link from here, and after copying the link, I will come to Scam Advisor, and here I'll paste this link and I'll search for it. And then you can see here how trustworthy this site is. And I'm doing everything live in front of you so that you know and see it is here like to be a legal quest. And it's a trustworthy site. So let's come to the main screen. When we come to the main screen, there are two things in front of you. See, it's written here, yes, I am new here, and no, already have a wallet. Yes, I am new here because we are new. So what will we do here? We'll click on the yes. As soon as you click on start, now see their policies and see in general it comes everywhere. So check it, and from here you agree to it. Check the box and do next. See, now it is asking you that you are male or female. Age will be asked. After that, it will ask you your household income. You can choose any option from here and it is okay. And after that, create your wallet. As soon as it is done, now see here, mention your email address. If you submit, it will send you an email on the mailing address you mentioned here, and you will get a verification code on that mailing address you mentioned here. And I have it, and I'll copy this code and I'll paste it here. You can see it's verified now. So this is my email, which is verified. It is okay. It is here, congratulations. It is clear. Now see. So first of all, you need to download Swash extension from Chrome Web Store. You need to add it into your Chrome browser and then turn it on. Well, you see they have received a message saying that they have to complete their verification now because they have to pay. So here are a few things. If you want to verify, then here we verify it. Verify means that we have to complete the profile that we have right now. It is not complete, so I do it. So when I click on verify, it took me, see what they say. You have to put up these main things. It has birth year, marital status, well after that house size, employee status, occupation, and now in the birth year you will mention your birthday. In marital status, you're single or married or whoever you are, and you will mention him, her. Household size means how many dependents you have, how many people are dependent on you. In employment status, you'll mention you are a student, a part-time or a full-time employed or unemployed. Whatever you want to check mark, you can do here. So after that, below the occupation industry, if you are already working, then in which industry you are working. Because I have mentioned here student, then what will I do along with education? If I give it, then you can mention whatever you want to. So after doing this, when I submit it, you will still see that all this has been saved. But with what is written about in my profile, it is written unverified. What does this mean? It means that my profile is still not verified. Now here you will see that where my email is written, contact information is written, my phone number is written below it. Okay, so I'll add my phone number here and I'm not a robot and verify it. And you will get a verification code on your number and add it here. It is shown on my profile that it has been verified. So after that, come back again on the main dashboard. On the left hand side, it is written that my profile is complete. And after that, now look here, I will click on earnings. Then when I click on earning, the thing that opened up with me is written there is earning balance Swash. and below it is written rewards to claim. And well, this means that whatever I have earned, the green sign which you can see the balance, my balance will be shown here, and below I will get rewards. I will get something from somewhere. You will get rewards which basically can be changed later, and they can also be used, and they also get changed according to the rate they have kept within your dollars. So well, one thing is done and then the other. Now this is what I have worked on, how to work and how will my ads run. Now you have started seeing one ad on the left side. So basically, what is this? What is this banner? What do they do in this way? Because I have opened the extension and I have turned it on. Now I'll see these things. Now whatever income I generate in the future, this is its earning. The way they work is that the model over which these people are working is, if someone wants to do some advertisement or his own publication, then what he contacts them, and when a person places his ad, then Swash works like this. That Swash shows the ad directly to various people from there, and here it's saying that you do this. If you download the extension, turn it on, create your account, and ad will start showing up. That means that you have controlled that thing by themselves, and there are 3 ways of earnings. The first is written here, earn from offers. Second is written earn from ads, and third is written referral bonus. So first of all, let's check out the number 2. Whatever is coming to pay is coming from earn from ads. Now when I clicked on it, you see it has come to another window. There it is written Swash ads, and below it is giving 3 options which are buttons. So what you have to do is to open these 3 buttons. So earn even more with Swash by opting in to receive Swash ads on your favorite browser. You see ads and get paid, and as a thank you for your attention. This means whenever Swash wants, he will show you by placing his ads, and with that your earning will start. Okay, one thing is done, and you don't have to turn off these 3, so that according to the extension that has been downloaded, it can show you ads, because our aim is to earn dollars. So one thing is done. So after that, now let me see when I open a new tab. What are you seeing here? When I open a new tab, look here, this ad has come. It is showing all these things. Now see, if I keep opening it here, we'll keep seeing those ads there, and the longer we stand beyond that, the earning will be received from there according to the. So let's come to the first option, earn from offers. Okay, now here you can see different offers and different amounts are written below every offer. For example, it is written pocket option, and it is saying that if we install it inside our mobile phone, it is an exchange which has a balance. In this way, it is also an exchange. So what do you get here? Just by installing it in your mobile phone, you will get 11 cents. And it is good from here. And look ahead and go down and see below. They have a lot of games. Like you can see here, grab a toy, and this offer is about $27. In this way, you can opt in high-paying offers from Swash and earn more money. So these different types are available. From here, you can easily do this type of earning. So after this, we have come to the third paying option, which is the referral bonus. Now it is written here, earn more by inviting your friends. Now when I click on this, see I have another dashboard here. It is written above Swash referral bonus. So this is mine, which I'll invite people, and here on the side. So how many people have been invited, and here the earning will be shown, and this is the link. You just need to share your referral link. When someone clicks on your link and then come to the Swash and create his account, then you will get your commission. So let's come to the withdraw options available here. So when you withdraw your Swash, you can then choose to exchange it for other cryptocurrencies through various exchanges. Whether you withdraw your earnings, you will be using Genesis chain, a cheaper, faster, and more efficient alternative to Ethereum mining. So Genesis chain is faster and Swash will cover the cost for you. So set up your wallet according to the following instructions to receive your earnings. It only takes a few minutes, and add Swash as a token in your MetaMask Genesis chain wallet using the import token button. You can find the Swash token contrast addressed here and copy the MetaMask Genesis chain wallet address you just created and paste it in the recipient wallet address below and click withdraw, and your withdrawal will be successful. So if you are new to Swash and have been using it for less than 1 month, then you will receive an error message telling you the date from when you are able to withdraw. So know your worth and earn from being you online. Swash is an online earning portal where you can earn points for being active in completing tasks online. Redeem your earnings for cash, gift card, and crypto, or choose to donate to causes you believe in. So I hope this was helpful and it will help you earn money online. If you found this video valuable, then do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll catch you all in the next video. Take care.